everyone, welcome to Ask Nutrition is Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful recipe videos. Today I'm going to make my weeknight quick broccoli garlic stir fry, and the ingredients are very simple. I'm going to start with a pack of frozen broccoli right here. It's organic frozen broccoli from Aldi, and the seasonings are going to be black sesame seeds, garlic powder, and some black pepper. That's it. So let's start by making sure that the skillet is at the right temperature. See the water, the mercury ball, that means the skillet is ready. And to this I'm going to add the broccoli. So I'm going to just start stir frying it. It's very important that you have a mixture of frozen and fresh vegetables at your fingertips in your kitchen, because on a busy day, frozen vegetables are going to come to your rescue. A lot of people just steam their frozen vegetables and then there is no flavor, they are kind of mushy, but it doesn't have to be like that. When you stir fry your frozen vegetables the way I'm cooking it, it's not going to be mushy. The important thing is to not defrost. The important thing is to make sure you are not defrosting the vegetables ahead of time, and you are adding it to the nicely heated hot skillet, of course without oil. And you want to make sure that you stir fry until the water has evaporated from this frozen broccoli. So it's going to take a couple more minutes. Okay, so like I was saying, if you want to make sure that your broccoli is not mushy, then you want to keep stir frying it at high heat until you start seeing this caramelization here, which means all the water has evaporated, excess water. There's just enough water, and this broccoli is cooked and it's not mushy. It still has a little bit of that crunch, and now it's time to season it. So we'll start by sprinkling some garlic powder, and some black pepper. Garlic, black pepper goes really well as a flavor with broccoli. It's easy. Everybody has garlic powder and black pepper. If you have crushed black pepper, freshly ground black pepper, that's going to be even better. Now this broccoli is done, and the last thing you want to do is to remember the frozen pack of broccoli. I just added a little bit of water in there because there are some small tiny pieces of broccoli stuck, and you don't want to dump a whole lot. All you need is a teaspoon, and just sprinkle it right here. And what that's going to do is that little bit of broth is going to help you get all the caramelization or the brown flavor back into the broccoli. And this broccoli is done. Last thing I want to do is to add some sesame seeds. By the way, broccoli very high in vitamin C, lot of anti-cancerous benefits. Sesame seeds are high in good fats and calcium. All in all, a perfect side dish. Enjoy. So this garlic broccoli was done in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for watching, and please send me your comments, questions. I do appreciate you reaching out to me for help. If you have any more comments, feel free to reach out. I look forward to see you next time.